Assalamualaikum everyone, welcome back to Mr. Tech Boss, and in this video I'm going to be placing the thermal paste on my GTX 750 Ti, which is a almost 4-year-old graphics card. And as you may know, if you've watched my previous video, that I bought it used, so I'm pretty sure they sold it after mining it for a long time and they haven't replaced the thermal paste. But now I'm going to do just that. And but before I do that, I'm just going to do a quick Firestrike 3D benchmark test to see if it improves the temperatures and the performance. So before we get started, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button and enable notifications by clicking the bell icon so you get notified whenever we upload a new video. So that's it for now. Let's jump right in. So guys, as you just saw the scores, and now let me just turn off the system. And please don't take this video as a guide because I'm not too good at this stuff, but yeah, if you have the same card you can just like have a look around with it. But yeah, I'm just gonna bring this system right here, and I'm gonna fast forward this part even though it's really easy. And right here is my GPU. It's right here. And now before I do anything, I'll definitely need to, I don't know if you guys can see it, but let me just try to zoom in onto this part, whatever I'm working on. But first of all, in order to take out the graphics card, I need to first of all unscrew this screw right here, which brings out this slot, and you can put this screw somewhere away and then just put this out, pull it out, and then basically all you gotta do is, well, unclick that part right there and basically just pull out the card. That's all there is to it. There it is, the graphics card. And let me put the PC away because now I'm just gonna reapply the thermal paste. So here it is, the graphics card right here. As you can see, this is a GTX 750 Ti, which I got for just $60. And I'm gonna like remove those screws. So yeah, and now I'm gonna speed up this part because I just found this screwdriver. I'm just these are like I'm just gonna speed up this part because I'm not a professional at this stuff. So guys, I'm finally done cleaning up everything, and now as you can see, this part right here, it's a wait, let me focus to it. It's like a really shiny part. And now I'm just gonna apply this thermal paste. If you're wondering which one it is, it's let me show you. Cooler Master HTK 002. And yeah, let's apply it. And I didn't want to buy a cheap one because I wanted the performance to be maximum. So yeah, let's just put a little bit because you're not supposed to be putting a lot. So yeah, this should be enough. It's already a bit too much, I'm saying, but you know, who cares. Yep, it should be enough. I mean, yep, it's more than enough. I don't want to apply more because then it'll be a bit too much. So now let me just put everything back together and we'll see. Wait, let me apply a bit to this part as well. No, let's forget about that. Yep, this is more than enough. I mean, it's already a bit too much. There we go. And now we're supposed to wait. I was supposed to do that, but anyways, I did it. So now what I'm supposed to do is, well, put this together. So yeah guys, I just opened this cage up again and then reinsert, like put it in again, and just make sure when you're like closing it, the fan or cooler doesn't come in the way of the PCIe, this whatever it's called, like PCIe connector, I would say. Yeah, just make sure it doesn't get in me. So yeah, I'm finally done, I guess, but we will see how this goes. If it's like a success or I just wasted my time doing all this for nothing. So guys, I'm finally done, and this is the main part. Does it boot up? I press the power button. Let's see if there's any signal. And yep, it works. So our surgery was successful. And oops, this. There we go. There we go. It's working. I don't know what happened to the mouse. It's just moving a bit too fast. There we go. Yep, there we go. It's fixed. There we go. And now I'm just gonna do that comparison again, and we'll see if it improved the temperatures by any. If it did. So guys, as you just saw the results, and before replacing the thermal paste, the maximum temperature was 76 degrees, and right after replacing it, maximum was 68, but it did go up to 69 for a little bit, but that's just like minimal, and on average it did stay a lot lower than like the old thermal paste. So yeah, I do recommend you to replace the thermal paste. But as far as performance goes, it did not change at all. The score was 6 points lower, but that was just to some human error and stuff like that, because if I were to do this test again, I might even get a little higher score. But yeah, but I still recommend you guys to replace the thermal paste as if you can, but it does void your warranty. If your used car it is under warranty, because it'll improve its life, because the fan needs to it doesn't need to spin as fast to keep the car cool. So yeah. So guys, that's it for this video. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and this was Hamid from Mr. Tech Boss signing off.